Hey lovies, welcome back to another delicious recipe. And on today's recipe, I'm going to be sharing with you the simple recipe on how to make your cracked rock Nigerian buns. Do stay tuned as we go through the process of making this recipe. So guys, right here I have 2 cups plain flour, half a cup granulated sugar which you can adjust to your taste, a pinch of salt, a pinch of nutmeg powder, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 egg, and 3 tablespoons melted butter. Right here I have some warm milk, some vanilla extract which is optional. So into my bowl of 2 cups of flour, I will add in my 1 tablespoon baking powder, sugar, salt, and nutmeg, and I will stir this up thoroughly. So right here, I will get another bowl and add in my whisk egg, 3 tablespoons melted butter. I will add in part of the milk and half a teaspoon vanilla extract. I will stir this up together and add it into my dried ingredient that I've already mixed. So guys, for the full list and measurement of all the ingredients I'm using, do check out the description box so you can get it easily anytime you want to make yours. So guys, right now I will keep on adding in the milk bit by bit until I get the consistency of the dough that I'm going to be using. If you don't have liquid milk, you can go ahead and add in 2 tablespoons powdered milk and use water to mix your dough. So at this moment, you can see the consistency of my dough, very sticky and not light. You can see how thick this dough is. So that's how you want your dough to be so you can get that cracked rock Nigerian buns. So at this point, I'll cover it up with my clean kitchen towel and put in my frying oil in my saucepan. I will heat up the oil, and when my oil is ready, I will get my butter. So right now, you'll see that I went ahead and wet my hand with some oil. And I'm going to be using my wet oil hand to scoop this butter the way you just saw me doing it. So at this point, my oil is hot. I will go ahead and start scooping my butter into the oil and make sure that the oil is on a medium heat at this moment. So guys, you want to make sure you keep on dipping your hand inside the oil so your hand will scoop this butter easily without sticking into your pan. So when I'm done scooping the butter into the oil, I will make sure that I keep on regulating my fire so that my buns does not come out burnt while the inside is not yet cooked. And at this moment, I will go ahead and start using my stick to stir the buns so each side will cook evenly. So guys, thank you so much for clicking on this recipe. If it's your first time here, you're welcome to Lydia Isaac TV. Thank you very much to my old and returning subscribers. You guys are so amazing. So guys, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do go ahead and click on that red subscribe button. Click on the bell icon that goes with it. That way you will never miss any delicious and interesting recipe from this channel. And also do give this video a big thumbs up if you find it helpful. Drop me a comment on the comment section regarding any question that you would like me to explain to you on this recipe. So guys, I'll go ahead and keep on turning the buns until I get the desired fried buns that I want. So at this moment, if you can notice, you will see that the buns is very well cracked and rocky. Yeah, reason is that our dough was not very runny and the dough was perfectly mixed. So at this point, if you like, you can go ahead and scoop out the buns because it's already well fried. But I'm just going to allow it to keep on frying for a little bit more because I love my buns to come out like a little bit burnt and very dry. So at this point, I'm okay with how it looks. So I'm going to take it off because this buns is still going to keep on like getting brown after coming out from the oil. So right now, go ahead and scoop a very tiny size of buns into the oil, as my kids will only eat the back of these buns and dump the inside for me. So I always make sure that I make a little size for them and allow it to come out also kind of burnt because they love just the skin of the buns and not the inside. So guys, thank you so much for watching this recipe. If you did find it helpful, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Drop me a comment on the comment section. Till I see you on my next recipe, do have a lovely day, do have a beautiful day. Bye bye.